Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage access of uh, the folders, files and folders in the document library in SharePoint. So we will go to the application, and in the application you can see this is our main page. We will go to the document library and click on see all, and it is showing the document library. We will right click on the folder and click on manage access, and as you can see it is showing the people where you can see the Bayunfe can view and Turkey can edit. So we can click on grant access and add more people like Sayyed Asad, and we want to add the permission like he can edit or can view or can't download. Only view but not download. View can only view and download, and edit can be edit, not delete. The user can add or edit anything in the library, but he can't delete anything. So we will go to can view and then click on grant access, and as you can see access is granted. Now we can see the the Sayyid Asad is showing here. Now we can remove him, no direct access, and click on apply and click on remove. You can see it is removed. Now in this manner you can manage accesses of document library folders department wise. I hope you understand the video. Thanks for watching.